Ecuador got its name from the equator line that crosses its territory and has a surface area of 109,484 square miles. The Andean mountain chain crosses the country north to south through the center, creating two different weather systems, the Pacific and Amazon weather patterns. Most of the rivers in Ecuador start their flow in those mountains, making Ecuador the country with the highest concentration of rivers per square mile in the world. 40 miles to the east of Quito, Ecuador's capital, lies the area of Papallacta, which is surrounded by the eastern Andean mountains and high moors. This place is the most important source of drinking water for Quito and is also well known for its hot springs. It is an area of numerous lakes and ponds such as Parcacocha and Loreto, where the rivers Papallacta and Tuminguina originate. Here is where ECOLUZ operates today and has been operational since 1965. Currently, it counts with two hydroelectric plants, Loreto with a dam and a capacity of 2.1 megawatts, and the Papallacta run-of-the-river plant with generation capacity of 6.2 megawatts, including a 1.9 megawatt turbine, which is used mainly in the rainy season. The running of the river power station of Papallacta works by changing the course of the Papallacta River and returning the water back to its natural course. Applying this same run-of-the-river technology and the allocation of water rights by Senagua, ECOLUZ has planned two new generation stations with a construction time of 3 years. The waters are returned back into the river. The plants will be located on the right shore of the river to avoid intersection with two oil pipelines, the highway and power transmission lines, which run parallel to the Papallacta River. They will be maximum 7.2 miles from the current ECOLUZ installations. The San Pedro project uses the waters of the rivers Papallacta, Tuminguina and San Pedro with water rights granted for 4.61 cubic meters per second, where a 3-mile water pipe will be built. It will have an installed capacity of 8.3 megawatts. Further down, the run-of-the-river station of Blanco Grande will be using the same waters from the Papallacta River and the adjoining Blanco Grande, with 9.36 cubic meters per second of water rights granted to the project. This plant will include a 1.3-mile tunnel inside the mountain. Blanco Grande will have an installed capacity of 14.7 megawatts. These new projects will add 23 megawatts to the existing ECOLUZ capacity and will be connected to the national grid. These small hydro plants have a low impact on the environment and contribute to the national goal of sourcing 90% of Ecuador's energy needs from hydropower by 2016. ECOLUZ, electricity for life.